In today's video, I'm going to teach you how can you email 100 people at once in Pipedrive. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Before you begin, it helps to have your email connected in Pipedrive so messages send from the correct address, and to know which contacts you want to reach. If you already have a template ready, great. If not, think through your subject line, the main message, and any personalization you plan to use, like the contact's first name. Next, head to Contacts. This is where your people list lives. Make sure the view on your screen contains the group you want to email. Around 100 recipients is a good benchmark for testing engagement and staying within typical sending limits. If your template isn't set up yet, this is a good moment to finalize it so you aren't writing from scratch later. Keep the message concise, include a clear call to action, and avoid heavy attachments to reduce the risk of landing in spam. Now, select your recipients. Click the checkbox beside name to select all contacts in your current view. This is a quick way to grab everyone you're seeing at once. Take a second to scan the list for obvious duplicates or missing email addresses. The number of selected contacts will guide how many messages you're about to send. With your recipients selected, click Send Group Email. This opens the composer with your chosen contacts pre-filled. You'll see fields for the subject, the body, and any personalization tokens you want to insert. Choose how you want to compose. You can select an existing email template, or type your message directly in the editor. Templates are faster and help keep your branding and tone consistent. If you're using personalization, insert placeholders and preview a few recipients to ensure names and other details render correctly. In this example, we'll pick a template called Welcome Lead. Consider this a stand-in for whatever best matches your goal: onboarding, follow-up, or a simple announcement. Double-check the subject line, the sender name, and that your signature looks right. If you have links, confirm they point to the correct pages. When everything looks good, click the Send button. You'll see that it reflects the exact count of messages you're about to send, such as Send 31 messages. Use this as a final confirmation that you're emailing the right group. After sending, keep an eye on opens and replies so you can follow up promptly and refine your next campaign. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.